In this video I will show you how to install and launch the Maxhaust Bridge App, activate your bridge and your Maxhaust products. First, you download the Maxhaust Bridge App from the App Store and start it. The Start button will get you going and you'll select the product you want to activate. In most cases, you will need to scan your bridge first. Here you can enter the serial number or scan directly with the app. Alternatively, you can scan the white card that comes with your bridge. Now you select your car from the vehicle list and assign a name for it and store a vehicle picture. You can also enter or change this later. After that, you will be asked for the product license. Here as an example, you activate your Active Sound product with the black card. The app now checks if there's any updates available for your product. After successful activation, the app is ready and you can use it. How it continues, you will learn in the next video. If you have any questions regarding this, you can always contact our support.